So I'm almost getting burnt out of these hairstyles. I don't know about you guys, but I got little Miss Squeaky back. And we're gonna attempt just to do some curls, just to try to feel a little bit better about ourselves today. I feel like we'll do the messy, maybe one back, one forward, one back, one forward, burn our finger. That's how we do it. How's everybody doing in the new year? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope you're all ready to rock it and look good. I'm trying. I went to the Matt Goss show out here in Vegas, and looking at all the girls who had gone out, and I'm thinking, wow, your dress is so cute. Why didn't you do anything to your hair? It is freaking January. I know you weren't out at the pool all day. You know, maybe you were. I don't know. Pretending to get some sun when it's 56 degrees outside. I don't know what people do in Vegas, but, you know, like, all the older people in Vegas, they always talk about, like, back in the day. You know, when the gangsters was out here, Italian gangsters, people dressed up. You did not go to the casino in your jeans and t-shirt. Boy, forget about it. Your man had a suit. You put on your best dress and your cute heels and had your cute purse, and not nowadays. People do not give a fuck, okay? I seen a guy at the bar in his damn plaid pajama pants. What the frick are you doing? And that ain't no way to win no money either. Ain't no luck god trying to give you some money in your damn plaid pajama pants, okay? But the ladies, you know, you have this really nice dress on, and then there's your hair. Flat and straight. You brushed it, obviously. But is just brushing it okay to go out to a show and be out in Vegas with your just brushed hair? I think not. I say no. No. Do something. I had my big fat Shaka Khan curly updo, you know? I was representing. I mean, I hear the excuses that people don't want to get up and do their hair early in the morning to go to work because they don't like or care about any of the people they work with. I get it. I understand, you know. Maybe the people at work would be nicer to you if you curled your hair and looked pretty every day. They'd be like, she's pretty, shoot. I want to be nice to her. I bet you she eats fucking cupcakes in the morning and shit. But if you're going to a show, oh no. You better do your dang hair. If you're going out at night with your man, please, you better do your hair. All of our grandmothers be rolling in their graves talking about these girls don't ever do their hair. I know, they don't. I heard them tell me every time, every week when they come in for their little style. Every week. Your grandma, your great-grandma, she comes in for her style. Because back in the day, that's what they did. Your grandma would not be caught dead at the grocery store without her hair and makeup done. Because you know why? Because people talk, alright? They've been talking forever. That never stopped. Go to work looking like a mess, everyone's gonna talk. Go to the grocery store looking like a mess, we're all gonna talk. Had those old neighborhood gossip ladies. Ooh, did you see Joni down at the meat market? Ooh, she just rolled out of bed and came out here. How dare her? She must be having problems with her man. You know. I don't want anyone thinking I got problems with anything. Got 99 problems, but my hair ain't one. Okay? And that's how I want you lovely ladies to feel. The hair is not a problem. Alright, well, Squeaky Selma came through for us again. Another day where we could just have cute curly hair. And brush through your curls. Don't be afraid to brush them out. Feel some action. You don't gotta wear your Shirley Temple curls. Put a couple more on the top over here because they're acting up. You know that Hollywood wave, all it is curled and then brushed through with the brush. Brush, brush, and then it's all, that's all that is. You thinking the Kardashians got all fancy? No, their hairstylists just brushed through their curls. And they got a Hollywood wave. And plus, that don't last long anyways. Try to go out for the night with your Hollywood wave. You don't look like you've been hit by a wave by the time you start doing anything. Alright, see, wouldn't you want to go to work like this today? Just a little bit of smush, a little deep part over there. Looking nice, looking great, get you ready for your updo for tomorrow. Fabulous! I want to see everybody having a great year, trying their best to look good, feel good. A little bit goes a long way, so we can all do it. Like this video, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Some lady is doing her hair 365 days a year. I think we all should try it. Get up, style your hair, and look good when you go to work. And have people say, what the heck are you up to? None of your business.